Santa wanted me to let you know that he is giving you this very, very special gift. But this is only to be used on special occasions and special treats. Say if you've been a really great boy, you've done a nice thing for someone else, and you've listened really well. Okay.
Yes! Mario Kart!
No way.
Oh my goodness. That's because you've been a very good boy, right? Is that the same one Auntie has at her house? Wow, Santa was very nice to you, huh? Brookie, do you have your dog stroller?
Brookie, Dad, look at the car.
No way.
And look at the library was. Oh.
Is that a dog stroller?
Bye-bye.
Where are you going?
Bye-bye. I want you on my... can I take my slippers off?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, good.
Ricky. Ricky. Brooklyn. Brooklyn, look what I got. Brookie. Look.
Ha What is that? What is that? Is that a dog? Oh, I like your clips, your hair. Oh, so pretty.